Mrs. Sage, patohwen chuang FSM Robotics Team, Coach or sounkaweid Mrs. Takato Diopoulos. With the absence School Education Specialist, Ms. Arail or founder and Habele Robo League, Executive Director, Mr. Neil Menon, when added the Rongen data program in robotics. Moment opportunity kan open program which open moment within church and tohn data robot. Team which patohwen share the ehukihieng tohn wehi arrangement experience na program which. Check koarongepene rohng beban sansal sang irail pwukat. Kaipuan ito na nagsawang pampeyo at masagarawa ang kupransyanan kan wawang kadagay na nadaponan kanikan at wawang kadnawang pampe katuwawang speaker ng legislature sa kapon dabalap o dabalapakan ng kailang search ako government o at wawang tohn wehi sa iyang o kasalinganan ko. Yes, sawa na siya ng Rahnwet o FSM Robotics Team at patohwen ehukihieng tohn wehi arrangement experience ng robotics program o sala ongoing training.
Okay, like what I've learned and what I like to about robots is that it helps me to learn things, that I can imagine things, I could help prevent like global warming and such other disasters.
Tanga kain ng yang sunga bagi yang mau mi parang ke kawan na may ako so bikin club ini cik at matong sa iyo imakata ibil parang kami lang at robotics.
Napakagay tayo yang software bagi IT lang sang yang kan ay yang robot pwukat siya kaya ay lang umunaraw ya tao o may bitawatang iba yang saya.
Napakagay mình wehi robotics ikon granang rasto songsongan mewas kaya wehi robot bir matong songjong dois kaya bilis na rimen yang songata yang mun pwukat. Ikilangan robot abuman kelang yang mana wehi ibilmen yang control wehi mewas na kapanan dombe macam aktor dong kaya
Karena yang program mereka rasa mereka experience mereka mereka yang mereka ibarat mereka mereka so jadi ibarat robot
FSM Robotics Team successful patohwen product campaign October September real sang siya kamadongan robot mawiyawiyang nawin training fan October sasilo lilisak wano para real. Duwan na sansal sang Coach Diopoulos irail pwukat patohwen wiwiyaya training o tatokong yata robot nawin pampe arisang pumayang mona ay patohwen na siyayo. Patohwen rabuyaran tumalbang racing o pocket money o parang pagkakano pang irang kapal daanan ay mabangka kachaparatan ng sala watch. Asangan rasyaikan matuwasya hotel accommodation o tiket ng sompirate yay apere patohwen apalyada. Education Specialist Latora patohwen kaunagtang pinwat for tupsawakan na nanong kamakatlakwat uyatatok lakyo o yay niya kasang kapal kay na pinwat reno na narayt nga sala. Monaray masanda sa pampe sounkaweid and pwukat may Coach Diopoulos so chukat yang kayo flight watch pwede kasang pamabang the paperwork mix-up and visa application. Sang sa so kailangan iwasan kasi mapatapong Tarapakara sa banda asaw mata o pinaleyang di manage and kapiyang sompiran muriyo o pinalection pa asaw mata. Dengan match FSM Robotics Team pinayang el kawan ng sela ko.
So mesela Manila na ng Philippines, robot mesela Jawano stock te chamala. Imet metawa mabuin patryo ni chen balwara robot. Ya rekam semua robot ko wala. Robot mimi. Isese tenen masawa ko mimi Philippines. Kich ko wala yang aki ay dapat I kapal mesela yang ako wala.
Metriara kasis wat yung pinwat. Wala top lang marawi ya som pumaw ng wing pumpe. Owen selak to orere marawi yan. Parang kaparawan na rin malkas ko rin taliang robot. Sang aray ni cheche o ngawin tato o pilpachang kawin sang aray song kawin triyamen makalwaray ng sela kwach rapachuan payama o piladetiya tukso maranane o nungyawin ta robot kap marapachuan tatong kiyan ng siyay wach.
Seled Geneva ngay pakita na miesper the mieu way rakak so sel push work roboto stock Manila irail kesikilan to robot chung yawi kita o ngayon manta siyayo then mo manta siyayo o koros makuwala robot ni irail robot ngayon pakita rin mo kaon masa ako irail tak na they can do it. You got to finish it by tomorrow. In the Rahnwet, they will try their best. Rahnwet data. Kita part so each wata wala na nasoter. Wala so may role na minsan. Kato agi robato. Aso peitin kasi yer wala wasa butan sali pam. Kasi travel visa no bilan mo rano ya wala. Peiti che social mayor. Basta katawagi robato. Each katawagi robato lang na minsan. Kula ko no. Tanda. Siya na nagatak siya mo seta. Each kapakaplan minsan mo each mo seta. Each din mo po robato in-inspect mo na raiban. Na robato so siya pass inspection no? Asa siya ba yung ato? Robato kailangan ng tao no? Sila mo ray wala inspect robato. So ang karos mo pass.
Aray na so marapatpacho kitchenita. FSM team watch patrowang yawan aray kakors. Anyang tatyang kamatong watch. Ola na pochyan tama ng kata songkong kay patrola. Coach team pelos patrowang manan kamatong watch. Yay pene tatak pene. O minamin pene the teamwork. May rasong chanak the church kanan siyay watch. Kun kulakadang o kasawi. Napachuan kawawa na competition watch person kita alliance. Mawawa ka chon sa tayo ko penong yata team o matongyang team choro na chowa kamperyawi kita chon sa tayo. Pwagi asap o puwalisak ng sampa na ko penasya ng wikaw siya. Awi ben alliance te pena watch yay ben kanangay latatoko. At one point, may team quality. Yay sata yung kokaras ng team mo, koarongepene.
Point out, kaya din kwas mo. Kaya din kwas kinong mo yung kaya din ready ang teamwork. Maga-suwase ang team the opponent ko. Kung maga-suwase lang yung ko mo, red team, kaya sila blue, ang suwase lang red, kalau kamu itu point, tapi kalau इसमें कक्षा वास्तव, विमर्श वास्तव काम में था कि point dah, umboigo, samin में harus kenyata, damko, sengko, mo wasamin cai punya kila cai kit, cai samin, jangan ऐसे kamu kan sawas peno ki bena aje samin When ka someone is mo
Tuwag sa amin mo ng buhay ko, robot ko, kitail, kaya nung kakawalan. Paging kuskus kilalanan. Mo? Kung gigipa na sa amin ko lang.
Mo dyan mga loose na niyaw na, tsaka na, regular, sa mga kilong sa amin daw, sa mga sawas daw, to may team agin kita, kaya mo teamwork.
Sa wala ko sa dyan namin ako. Kung masulari. Turun na sa kakich. Batch pa na siya so mouth ko sa open. To experience teamwork, get to know many people.
And so yung sumiro ang kliyente ba? So ang kasi din mo sa akin.
Kamu sabihin ang kasto. So sa ako nakakilata ng kasto. So sa ako bikin George. So sa ako bansay patagang kasaw. Buksan so sa ako pick.
Kabalo mong inseriya, then so di awawadu utang kataw.
When watch patohwen so patohwen tompe ne melele yo patohwen pwukat at matatok na aso chola ma sansal so chucha na acknowledgment coach sounkaweid support kan pagparay kan o paros mayang sawas omni ang pagparay ng sela watch.
Sa nalangan yung mga kanya tao na ganyan pina. Arapin ko cho kishpil puro to soche o na ano soche suma sa porto ang separan porto lang arama 7 year kan che watch pil perren tapto ka acho que grave isso concept watch will continue session and movie well, some children young atenção, né? Como realmente. Tipo, kailangan na siya kung share. Kailangan tayo minimum, wehi robotics. Kailangan song, agree ba ko namin agree daw. Agree daw niya, pero no, yan
Duwan na sansal sang ang galapnos, topi state government that was so sekia pwukat travel allowance o na sela watch. Open ka sa mo kanarayan, water salon, the stampede na patukwad sa piro, ang so marasa patuwain topi. Open cheer sang penining o irail kong student ka. Kapnaway topi, the Honorable PR for o irail na balato, walyabang pwukat pagpatsukan ka sa watch.
Kapna, batang gusto masabisoche nempe nan wasa sa walayo. Ichar ko sa waliana FSM Robotics Team. Sa ba proto kanaran nose kamato. Oriya yaw. Kailangan kapna.
Sang ita sansal pwukat pwukat men kanang ita para sa gamang ongray maplapulkanan may renisya mechungalang kinangan men aleta damel sukul ke barrier robot o bilyang choweta robo club. Nanachmal kawewe Executive Director Mr. Melen mapachowang kawata organization da banimagani program of na barrier ng wehi US Patohwen Robotics Program we have sent Habele Robo League makinsawa sa Robotics Club and High School kanan way na basa.
I think it was about 2013 or something that we first sent a few robotics kids to just 2 schools on the app, and they said that the kids really enjoyed it. So we started growing it. Finally, we went to some people in the U.S. government at the Department of Interior, and we said, hey, we think we can do something that kids in Micronesia will get really excited about math and science. And so we got a little support from the U.S. government, from the Department of Interior, and we took it from 2 schools in Yap, and then we started moving to Outer Islands, and then we started moving to Chug Lagoon, and then we started moving into Pohnpei, and then we started moving further out from the lagoon, and then we started moving to Rai. The robots is not a story about Habele. It's about those students and those teachers who realize that these things, these pieces of metal and plastic and whatever, and it's been a little more complicated the last couple of years, but the basic idea is that robotics is a very student-driven learning activity, right? It's not like you're sitting at your desk and you're writing and the teacher's telling you something and you're writing it down and something, right? The kid's doing something.
Epipatuan kasalita na Habele Robo League kokota puang kayaneta o koarongepene serikan. Engkau ialah problem solver seneuran. Rangkap tong ialah cuma mataukan orang yang buatkan mesin komputer o software data mesin.
Every year at the end of the school year, there is a robotics competition in Colonia where all the different high schools who have teams come and compete. It is sort of a small example because each school is given the plan. There's going to be this field, and there's going to be balls, or there's going to be obstacles, and the students have to, over the course of some time, look at the problem, come up with some ideas, design a robot, make it, test it, refine it, improve it, and then operate it the day of the competition. That is the formal way in which all sort of human problem solving occurs. It's just as you think about it more in terms of the steps when you're doing something like building something, right? But like, I mean, it's sort of like if you've ever seen a small child, you know, trying to reach up and grab something, they can't, and they sit there and they look, and you know, maybe they run over and they get like a book or something, they put it down, okay, but then the book's not tall enough, and they sit back and say, okay, well, maybe then what if I do, right? That basic problem solving is how math works, is how, you know, obviously it's how computers work, it's how buildings are built. It is the formal steps of you know, science at its most basic level. And so, yes, the specifics are robots and competitions in which they're moving around and competing tasks. But really, it is teaching you about this larger way to approach problems. Okay, what can we do? Okay, we'll have a meeting, we'll ask people some of our ideas, we're going to gather things, and then we're going to, you know, and maybe you do a trash pickup, and then it didn't work as well as you want, so next year we're going to learn from that, make some changes, right? I mean, this basic model is applied to all sorts of human knowledge and endeavors. The robots are just sort of a convenient and frankly exciting vehicle to teach people to be more aware of when they are engaged in this kind of process of rational thinking, planning, improvement, testing, refining, improving, implementing.
Kabulong FSM Robotics Team, pwede social media for ang somarachang ng Wing Philippine o pwede pilkailan may church kalawetian o aparyalan challenge ka kapat paros maradeno.
Hari may muay mong next year, yung mga national and support, pwede sabi ko, waliyan FSM, kahit ganun matalaning taguchi. FSM, wewe irail pun pan kalaki. Ibebem mong ape, ran riyaw sa bibir ko yan. Sabi ka man mo nga ito, tangan mo nga. Sabi ko kung naray sa ilakan. Ibig masa ko yan, sabi ko, puyatuan ko ko lang ng song masa. Sabi lang, arap. Naricho may yung daray, rente ba mas masa ko yan. Pitch ka lang ko sa dami sa ganyan daray. Restaurant ko may ako.
Legal sawaras mabuita FSM Robotics Team pipatuan daraj malang kawin ongchuan we o yesh marapatuan.
My message in Ninjikan, don't be afraid, just focus on the goal, don't get distracted, just focus, never give up, don't lose faith, and always believe in yourself.
Chuyện này ta mai lên anh chị á, và khi Isa aja na to. Bisa puto aras kadang kengkis brown kata ya cross anas to na ni dan anjing mereka kalitan aku men alit men
Ay nasasyaw lulukukan tohn ni sa sudah tu support each other.
Saya main ehukihieng, jaga robot kayak nama main. Orang robot farangka, kajubala, toto apa ni? Saya itu aja stosa ya robot juga. Kerja dengan juga saya mau kerja. Nasib saya ada yang rancang yang bilang, yang mana bang. Dan saya mana ada yang nabala sambil ke.
Kami mendang rumah di Jakarta Serwiko, saya berangkat ke tohn, saya angkat kamar ini tohn mawalkan, mak kumain yang robotics club, mereka sign up fix, mo, cuma school and fix kan deh. Pas itu kan CCA, STA, public private pun, saya main ada tetap laut. Oh, never give up on your dream, but masibak lagi or whatever in the day, may ragu ka yang lewat melangkah karena niya may kalinigan, melawkan, mamarlawkan, o chondon day pon the next.
To achieve something in such a physical and immediate way as building. And so I think that that's an opportunity that every student at every high school in Pompeii has, and that if they're not taking advantage of this now, I think they should just, maybe just go and check it out, go and look and watch and see, because there are plenty of students in Pompeii and across Micronesia who maybe didn't see themselves as like a math kind of student or a science kind of student, and who have participated in the Robotics League, and then now they do. That there are many kids who maybe they didn't even like math and science, and they didn't see themselves as like a math and science type of student until they were introduced to the robots, and they began to see in a really concrete way how exciting math and science opportunities really can be.
Coach dia speed back sounkaweid ke sana student Pompeii kan, memang cowok robotics club watch. Memang yang passion program panana tetap lau passion ewen ke social metrikan memang passion program o sawas pene nu yang tan robot ni oranglah mara passion na robotics club radana na dapat yang o kana bela tamara chapiata.
This story is not about me, not about Habele. It's about those 5 and all the people, their family, everyone, their schools who supported them, who believed in them. Our role has been really minor, but I am so proud to have played that little minor role, to be part of what these kids did. And I've got nothing but respect and admiration for them, for their teachers, the school leaders, the department, and for all the kids in the Robo League. I mean, there were 5 of them there, but they represented a lot more kids all across the FSM, in my mind. And what a responsibility, and they carried it so bravely and so well.
Yena chada bersama masyarakat Rahnwet, nagong nasanya tagacuannya video watch o pupur kijak saman asal seratan Rongen watch image, akong pupur kalangan like or share video watch o subscribe on FSM YouTube channel o follow FSM Facebook page. Pokoknya kak mami tagacuan rong kapapan tagacuan murid match, kalangan o kasel.